doing the challenge homework and just help you work this one out. The whole idea of doing the challenge homework is to give you the thought processes that will help you to do well on the tests. And you are asked, it says point D, I've got point N in there, whoops. Let me fix that if I can. Okay. Point D is the end center of ABC, and you're to find a way to define x, or write an expression for the length of x in terms of the three sides AB, AC, and BC. Now x, if you look carefully, is the height of each of three triangles. Let me see if I can show them to you. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. I meant to use a highlighter. Okay, here's a triangle. And another triangle. And another triangle. And since it's the height of one of those, of each of those triangles, you can use it in the height formulation. And so what you can do here is you can say, I notice that each of these, well, this is a right triangle first of all. The triangle that you're looking at, this large triangle, is a right triangle. So you're able to give its height in terms of 1/2 base times height, and that's in terms of the sides because it's a right triangle, which I don't think I marked it there, so let's mark it. Okay. And so we can tell what the area of ABC is by in terms of sides AB and AC, and that's going to help us because if we can use all of the areas, then we can solve for the height of the areas of these small triangles, and we will get x because that's what it is. It's the height of each of these small triangles. Okay, so in order to do that, though, we would need to know what the area of the whole triangle is. So you might notice that the area of the whole triangle is equal to the area of each of these triangles added together. And so if we write these in terms of sides, then we can find out what x is. So watch how we do this. Okay, we're going to say 1/2 AB times AC is the area of the large triangle. Okay, now that area is equal to triangle ADC plus the area of triangle CDB plus the area of triangle ABD. All three of these triangles, if you add them together, will be the area of the large triangle. All right, now let's write each of these areas in terms of their height and their base. Now the height of each of these triangles is the x that we're looking at here. So for the first triangle ADC, its area is equal to 1/2 the base, which is AC, times the height, which is x. And the green triangle is 1/2 the base, which is BC, times the height, which is x. Notice I'm using a cursive x so I can tell that it's a variable, whereas AC and BC are actually sides. Okay, and then the blue triangle is 1/2 AB times x, and all of that has to be equal to 1/2 AB times AC. All right, now we can factor out our 1/2. Let me clean that up just a little bit. The A over there came out garbled. Okay, I'll write it again. A, C. All right, we can factor out the 1/2 on this side because we have three values that we're adding together. So we're going to factor out our 1/2, and we're going to get ACX plus BCX times x plus AB times x. And then we've got 1/2 AB times AC on the other side. And now we're just going to divide out our 1/2 or multiply by 2, however you want to look at it is fine. Okay, that cancels out our 2, so we're left with ACX plus BCX plus ABX, and AB times AC. Now we're going to factor our x out. Whoops. Okay, we're going to factor our x out of the left-hand side of our equation. So we factor out our x, we get AC plus BC plus AB, which are all sides of the triangle. And that was part of our assignment, was to tell what x is in terms of the sides of the triangle. Okay, now we're going to divide both sides of our equation by AC plus BC plus AB to get x by itself. And so we have x equals AB times AC over AC plus BC plus AB. And you have solved that problem.